Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to TECNO Phantom V Flip. Begin by launching Play Store on both to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then use the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays, select Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of TECNO. Also on OPPO, using those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!